Hey there. Today we're talking about the Mercury Retrograde in Taurus and what it means for us. The good news is we've got some positive aspects to work with, even amidst the potentially challenging energy. Mercury will be sextile Mars, which can bring a burst of motivation and energy to pursue our goals. This is a great time to focus on our passions and take action towards them. Mercury will also be conjunct Uranus, which can bring sudden insights and breakthroughs in our thinking. Keep an open mind and be willing to think outside of the box. But with Mercury retrograde, we also need to be prepared for some potential challenges. The Queen Cups to the midheaven can bring unexpected disruptions in our career or public image, so be adaptable and flexible in your approach. The square to the lot of fortune can bring financial or material challenges, so it's important to be mindful of our spending and budgeting during this time. And with the moon conjunct Mercury, it's important to focus on clear communication and emotional honesty in our relationships. So, while Mercury retrograde can bring some challenges, we can work with the positive aspects to make the most of this time. Remember to stay grounded and centered, and trust that everything will work out in the end. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep shining your light and illuminating your journey. Thanks for watching.